safety and well-being of the children in our care are always our top priority. Here are some tips that will help keep the children in our care safe. Number 1, never enter a bathroom with a child. If you are working with a younger child who may need support, contact a staff member. As a volunteer, you will never have to change a diaper or help a child in the restroom. Number 2, use appropriate touch. Let the child dictate their comfort level. Some children prefer a fist bump or an elbow bump. Some prefer a high five. With younger children, do not let them sit on your lap. Do not force a child to have contact with you. We want the children in our care to feel secure in knowing that no unwanted contact will occur. Number 3, no cell phone, food, or drinks in the classroom. We want the children to be the center of our attention and without any distractions. Number 4, KiDSCOR is a no bully zone. Keep your eyes and ears open for any signs of bullying or mistreatment between the children. If you see this type of behavior, please contact a staff member. And number 5, comply with all safe gatherings guidelines. Prior to serving in KiDSCOR, you must be cleared with a background check. When serving in KiDSCOR, 2 leaders must be in the room at all times. In addition, we expect our leaders to complete the Safe Gatherings training within 45 days of starting as a KiDSCOR leader. This will ensure that you are following our policies to keep our children safe in our care. Thank you for helping keep KiDSCOR a safe place. I'm Sherri, and I'll see you around.